Hello, it's Brian from Oceans Atlantic Success Plan. I just wanted to give you a heads up and talk to you about I know you've heard of making money flipping domains, and there's been a lot of different courses that came out for it, showing you how to do it and everything. But to me, the my favorite one, and still is the Domainer Elite from Jamie Lewis, and that's because when you get a membership for Domainer Elite, everything is included. Because like if you try to flip domains on your own, you have to put them up on a marketplace, which they charge you just for a listing it and everything. So anyway, with Domainer Elite, you actually get everything included. The software that'll find the domains for you without having to go through manually, name by name, trying to find one. It also has the marketplace for you to put it up for sale on, and you get training of which domains to look for and how much to charge for them. But I mean, there's real good money in definitely buying a $9 domain or whatever, and turn around flipping it for a few $100s, few $1,000s. And I mean, some of them have actually, flipped them for 10, 15 grand, depending on the name of it. But anyway, I just wanted to talk to you about it because it's actually a good product, and you can definitely make some good money flipping domains. And with this membership getting in and everything being included, plus training and everything, it's a real good deal. Anyway, if you'd like to grab it, just click the link below this video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified when I put any new videos out. Anyway, have a good day, good night, wherever you are in this world. This is Brian from Oceans Atlantic Success Plan, trying to bring you success online. Talk to you later. Bye.